right, well, welcome to VeeamON 2018 in Chicago, Illinois. Having a great time here with our partner, a very strategic partner, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. I have with us today Roger Liu. He is the Director of Strategic Alliances at HPE. Welcome, Roger. Thank you for being here and for your strong partnership. Tell us a little bit about,
go ahead. Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. I've been with Nimble Storage, now HPE Nimble Storage, for almost 6 years now. Thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah, our pleasure. We've a strong partnership, which is what we want to talk about today.
Yeah.
Looking back, the history, obviously, we've had a partnership with HPE, but even preceding HPE, Nimble, very strong partnership between Veeam and Nimble. Can you talk to us a little bit about that, how that's progressed, how that started, et cetera?
Absolutely. So the partnership started in 2012, right? And at the beginning, we didn't really have a product integration. So all the activities are focused on joint go-to-market, and we meet in the channel. There was no bundle, there was no resale collaboration. However, the joint value props between the two companies quickly resonates and get the attention of our mutual customers. So we have enjoyed a very successful sales and activities. The major change in the a major milestone in our journey was in 2017 when Veeam decided to integrate with Nimble Storage. And that basically take the value prop of simplicity, ease of use up to next level, right? So now customer can easily orchestrate and manage their backup and recovery activities directly from the Veeam console and leveraging the flash-based architecture of Nimble Storage snapshot. So they completely do the backup through snapshots, and now they can do a lot of things, leave the primary storage off and no impact on the primary workloads.
No, it's an awesome story. I hear it all the time working with the field and customers, how simple and easy it is to use. So we had Nimble, and then there was an inflection point, right, that came about that really happened with Nimble and the HPE acquisition. So we went from strong, I'm almost thinking, good to great, or great to even better. So there was the acquisition of HPE and Nimble. So how did that kind of melding strengthen the partnership even further?
Yeah, as you know, HPE is a household name, very good reputation, and they had decades of successful innovation in the technology world, right? So we were extremely excited to be part of the family, and not only we can leverage the broad breadth of HPE solutions, now we can leverage the channel in the world to reach and take our solution to the market quicker and faster. And also, like working with the Veeam, even before Nimble, HPE alone already had many touch points with Veeam. So that really helped us to leverage the relationship. It's better together, like people are talking about here. Yeah. So we are extremely excited, and now we can take Nimble Storage solutions to the market quicker and serve our mutual customers.
Absolutely. So you mentioned storage, the storage solution. So I think about the portfolio, and I think about our competitors. I know that keeps you up at night, keeps me up at night. How can we succeed with strong competition? So talk to me a little bit about the breadth of the portfolio that HPE brings that really differentiates us, over against our competitors?
Yeah, HPE probably has the broadest and deepest flash storage portfolio in the industry, right? And now adding Nimble to the family, we even strengthen that further. And I can specifically point out three main differentiators compared to the rest of the pack, right? HPE Nimble Storage is predictive, and is cloud ready, and it's timeless. So let me expand that a little bit. What I mean by predictive is that Nimble Storage provide the AI, artificial intelligence, to the data center. And this is powered by the engine of what we call InfoSight, HPE InfoSight. InfoSight collects millions of telemetry data and analyze it, correlates per second. And this is throughout the entire install base of our customers. And the machine learning continue to improve. So InfoSight predicts and proactively telling customer if something is going wrong or it's wrong before customer even know that. So that really transformed the experience of our customer about the support. The second is cloud ready, right? We live in a hybrid IT environment. You see a lot of enterprises put their workload and applications either on-prem or in the cloud. One of the major concerns is security, right, and reliability. So HPE Nimble Storage solution provides seamless and secure mobility for our joint customers. So now they can leverage, for example, HPE Cloud Volumes to have the enterprise grade of storage for their data, not just on-prem, but moving on to the cloud. And also it's a multi-cloud, public, AWS or Azure or any other public clouds. They can move data back to and or between them, right? And no egress charge. So that's a strong benefit.
Yeah.
The third thing I mentioned about timeless storage, what I mean by that is that all the software is inclusive in the pricing. So customers don't need to worry about, do I need to pay extra for this feature, that function? None of that, right? So it's all inclusive, free of charge. And we also provide what we call 6 nines availability guaranteed. That means that you don't need to worry about the reliability and durability of the devices. And we keep our support pricing flat throughout the life of the devices, however long you want to use that. Not only that, at the 3rd year, when you renew the support contract, you have the option of upgrade the controllers to a faster performance. We guarantee at least 25% free of charge. So this future-proven investment is really benefits and also make us stand out.
And we feel like Veeam complements very well, especially adding in solutions like VeeamON to give a view into capacity planning issues. So taking InfoSight, the analytics capability, combining that with the VeeamON solution really gives a lot of insight to customers. And then everybody's got a cloud-first strategy. I hear all the time, CIOs are saying, hey, my first conversation is how can I get rid of data centers, right? I've got a cloud first strategy in mind, and Veeam and HPE support that. So, and then I guess the last thing that comes to mind from what you said is the economics of flash that HPE brings with your storage solutions is huge in allowing customers to save and drive innovation dollars back into the business to help them to grow. So I love it. It's a great story.
Yeah, definitely. Flash has enabled a lot of technologies, but Flash has become so common. If you talk to other storage vendors, everybody has a Flash solution, either is all Flash or hybrid. But the difference is we talked about earlier, InfoSight really makes a difference because HPE InfoSight is not just focusing on storage itself, but the entire stack, from the storage up to the networking, the compute, all the way to your applications. We can monitor it. In fact, through our InfoSight proactive support model, we discovered that 54% of the support cases or issues are not related to storage. But InfoSight is able to tell the customer and solve the entire stack of problem. So it's very powerful.
It's a beautiful story.
And again, it's a free of charge. It's all inclusive.
Even better. Even better. Well, Roger, thank you very much, as always, for the partnership and spending time with us and helping us really meet our customers' needs every single day. So, again, from VeeamON, thank you very much.